What's up, folks? Welcome to another unboxing from 247 Tech Talk. Here I have for you today something I've been waiting for a while. It's from EnGenius, and it is their latest Wi-Fi 7 access point. So I'm going to switch right over and we can get started with the unboxing. So here we are. Read it for you. EnGenius Cloud 7 Wi-Fi 7 4x4x4 tri-band indoor access point. For those of you who've been following the reviews, you would have known that just recently I reviewed, and this is just days ago, I unboxed and reviewed their 24-port PoE plus 4-port SFP switch. So here we are. I'm going to unbox this. I took the tape off of one side, here we go, to make it easier. So let's go. We've both seen this for the first time. I was excited about it. Let's get this sucker out the way. Here we go. That's what we have. Cloud 7 4x4 indoor EnGenius Cloud tri-band indoor access point with 2 QR codes for quick start and the mobile app, which I already have because I have a lot of EnGenius equipment, right? Let's take this out, take off this cardboard cover. So wow. First impression, it's got the EnGenius logo, it's got the status light, but this thing is big. It's bigger than any access point that I have. Give me 1 second. And I'm going to grab a tape measure here. Now I'm back with a tape measure just to show you. It is 9 inches by, looks like a square, yes, 9 inches. So approximately 9 inches by 9 inches. There we go. It's nice, smooth, pretty hefty too. I don't have a scale to show you, but it's got probably more weight. The other ones felt like just a plastic body. I can feel right now. This is metal. This is not plastic on the back. So let's take out the box below. Get this out the way. Let's turn it over. And before I go into what its ports, let's pull out the pieces so you can see. So it has, this is the back of it, and you can see by this mount. This is the mount that you would screw into the wall, and then I believe you would just put this on and turn it, like in this direction, put it on and turn it to make it straight. You can see with the center here, center piece that's sticking out. I don't know if you can see that. And this sits right in this hole here. The back has got the usual, the MAC address, the serial number. On the bottom here, this one corner, you've got 2 ports. It's 2 LAN ports. This is a 10G port. This is a 10G with PoE port. And this is the DC adapter. Now, when I read this up on this on the website, they said automatically it does not come with an AC adapter because they really want you to use the 10G PoE port. So this would be interesting because originally I was going to put this into a gigabit PoE switch, but I think the installation is going to take me a little bit longer because obviously I want to make sure I use I want to get a 10G, I want to get an Ethernet to SFP adapter. I bought the Ethernet cable, but since this instance is 10G, I want to pop it in one of the SFP ports as opposed to just dropping it into a gigabit PoE port. So they're both 10G, but one is PoE, this one is PoE, and this one you'll need the DC adapter, which they do not send with it. Now here they also have real T-rail clips with a set of screws. So these are T-rail clips. I've seen them online. I've never used them before. So it'll be interesting to see when I connect them if I actually need them. I want to think that for my installation, this would be enough for me to use some screws, screw this into the wall, and drop the device on it and turn it. But there's got to be a reason. Like I said, I'll go to the websites. They do have the installation screws and everything here. I'm trying to get this out. So I believe this clip somehow goes onto it. I don't know how yet, but you will find out, because I'll take, at least if I don't do a video, I'll take pictures, and it will be with the review that will show up eventually on the-gadgeteer. That's GADGETEER.com. So this comes with, again, the base, these T-rail clips, mounting screws, kit with the anchor, and a hex screw that will make sense once I figure out the T-rail clips. All right, put this back in here. Well, I'm excited to get this connected. I'm excited to hook this up with an Ethernet SFP Plus adapter. I've done it before. I have an EnGenius gateway that I use the 2.5 gig Ethernet port with an SFP adapter into one of the switches with SFP 10G port. So that's it, folks, for now. Here it is. Good look again. Here's the back again. This is a Wi-Fi 7 4x4x4 tri-band access point, and with 10G ports. Oh, let's see. This is only a lock. I wanted to make sure I didn't miss anything. They actually have the lock port on this. I guess if you're installing this in a hallway somewhere in a business, you'd be concerned that people might want to take this beauty off the wall. It's beautifully made, metal, like I said, hefty, feels really good in the hands, and I can't wait to see what kind of speeds this gives me. I don't have 10G network speed, but day after tomorrow, I'm upgrading to 2.5G from my ISP, who also has 8G, but I don't see the benefit of that, unless you can make all your equipment go, upgrade all of your equipment to take advantage of it. So until the next time, from 247 Tech Talk, enjoy and see you soon.